stays dirty for weeks. I don't wash the mud off cause I want you to see how it be in the ATH or J-Town. We jack up the trucks, then it's time to get down.